सवाल उठता है मार्केट में ऑलरेडी हजारों ट्रेनर्स हैं जो सिमिलर प्रोग्राम दे रहा है, देन व्हाई हेल्दी पिंटो? Before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Shikhar Saxena. I'm the founder of Healthy Pinto and people know me as trainer nutritionist. Over 20,000 of people are following my advice and I have trained more than 1,000 people. They have achieved their fitness goals under my guidance. Unfortunately, the fitness industry is filled with either scammers or unethical trainers or uneducated trainers. For example, if you are an obese and you are trying to lose your body fat percentage, so if there is an unethical or a scammer, then he will either try to sell you fat burners, slimming capsules, slimming teas, detox drinks, and like what not, and even steroids also. On the other hand, if you are a skinny person and want to gain muscle mass and get bulked up, then the trainer will either sell you mass gain capsules, mass gainers, cheap steroids, Dynabol, XYZ, whatever. He'll try to sell you that because you are a bait for him. Like he is like बकरा कि आप उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं तो वो आपसे कुछ भी अमाउंट उसके लिए ले सकता है. They treat you like this. And whatever, like either the fat loss drinks or the mass gainers, all are extremely harmful for your body. Your body is not designed to take these processed like powders or diet or XYZ things. I also made a video on this. Like किसी ट्रेनर ने एक 15 साल के लड़के को टेस्ट बूस्टर सेल करने की कोशिश करी थी. Can you imagine that 15-year-old guy has not even experienced his boiling test cells till now. He hasn't like hit his puberty, and the trainer is selling him that test boosters. Like the video is on my YouTube channel. I mean, आप सोच सकते हो उसकी बॉडी पे कितना ज़्यादा वो हेल्थ मतलब कितना ज़्यादा उसकी हेल्थ खराब कर रहा है. They charge a very hefty and freaking amount from them, and they like leave them with the suffering of the side effects. And if by chance the trainer is ethical, then he will not be that much educated to guide you to like bring a legit transformation, because it involves the anatomy of muscles, diet knowledge, nutrition knowledge, and the practical experience and a lot more things. After checking all these things, I promise myself कि मैं कोई भी ऐसी एडवाइस नहीं करूँगा जिससे आपके कस्टमर पे, मेरे कस्टमर पे या क्लाइंट पे किसी तरह का नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़े. So that is why I made this one 100% natural, totally 100% natural. कोई मतलब पिल नहीं, कोई कैप्सूल नहीं, nothing. Where we are talking about fitness, we will not talk about any pills, any capsules. I preach a very simple yet effective quote: be who you needed when you were younger. Like when I was struggling to achieve my fitness goals, I need someone who can guide me properly. Guys, believe me, just believe me that transformation is not a difficult task. It's all about you need a right guidance from a supportive mentor who can guide you at every level that you are doing right or wrong, or you are going like everything is going fine or not. Like we are talking about small consistent efforts that bring a big difference in your life. Now let me tell you आपको exactly 100 days plan में मिलेगा क्या. As soon as you will enroll in my program, we'll have a one-on-one video call consultation with you, and we'll be discussing like understanding your lifestyle, like at what time you wake up, at what time you sleep, what you have in your breakfast, lunch, dinner, what is the timing, what is your daily routine. Like after taking all this information, I'll be making a personalized diet chart for you, like that will be totally resonating with your daily routine. And most importantly कि वो pocket friendly भी होगा. And after that we'll discuss like what workout plan should you follow, like the whole schedule of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like what exercises, what sets, what repetitions, and everything will be a detailed structured like chart over there. After giving this diet chart and workout chart, I'll be monitoring your progress every day. I'll be asking you daily weight updates and weekly body measurements. आपको टाइम टू टाइम हमारी एक्सक्लूसिव एडवाइसेस मिलती रहेंगी. जैसे हम लोग जर्नी को अचीव करते जाएंगे, जो कुछ भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी आपको जानने के लिए वो सभी हैंड ओवर की जाएगी, वो सभी बात करी जाएगी. वी विल बी कनेक्टेड टोटली. द मेन फंडा ऑफ दिस 100 days ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्लान इज टू मेक यू अ स्किलफुल ईटर rather than being a binge eater, so that you can transform yourself effectively. You can explore our client transformation, our feedbacks, our Google reviews, and all the results that I have like given to my clients. It's like आप एक personal trainer hire कर रहे हैं, nutrition coach, that means like the whole package of a transformation specialist आप hire कर रहे हैं बहुत ही कम बजट में. I hope you guys are ready to act now. Click on the link below and let's have a video call meeting. See you soon.